Well, hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Google Drive. Now, Google Drive has been called by several different names. Some people call it Google Docs. It's the same thing, but it's actually been expanded in recent years to have a bunch of different functions. So I want to show you some of the tools in case you've never used it before. We're going to be using it heavily this year, and I encourage you to use it in all your subjects. So I'm going to assume that you read the handout on how to set up an account and that you have an account. Again, any Google account will work. This will be the interface if it's your first time using Google Drive. On the far left, you'll see it says My Drive, Shared with Me, and then a few other options. These are going to be the main two menus that you use. My Drive are the things that you create, and then Shared with Me are things that other people make and they share with you. If you want to make a document, it's simple. You click Create, and you're given an option of things that you can make. Document behaves just like Microsoft Word, Presentation behaves like PowerPoint, and Spreadsheet behaves like Excel. There's also a few other options. Drawing lets you make shapes and put them into Word documents or Google Documents, and Form lets you make a handout that you could give on a website, similar to the forms I have on my website. This is great if you want to schedule something or if you want to take a quick survey. So let's go ahead and click Document just to see what it looks like. It only takes a second and it brings up our main interface. Now at the top you see the title is currently Untitled Document. So let me call this Video Test Document. And we're ready to go. You see it automatically changes it. You notice it says right here, all changes are saved in Drive. If I type anything, it saves seconds later, and boom, you're ready to go. You have all of your typical options here. This is used for if you want to name it something different, if you want to make a copy. Edit is used for things like copying and pasting. View, you'll probably not use that very much. Insert is great if you want to add or subtract some things for the document. For example, if you want to add an image, you can just click Image, and then you can either upload an image, click and drag an image in. For example, here is an image I had on my desktop from the Romantic period, and boom, I have an image right in my document. Another great tool, if you go to Tools and click Research, is actually Google itself merged with your document. Have you ever wanted to add a quote or add a video or add a picture and you have to go on the internet and find it? Well, now it's all in one place. Let's say I want to add a picture of an apple. It gives me all these different pictures, and if I see one I like, I just click and drag it in. And not only does it give me the picture, but it automatically cites it at the bottom, and that's great whenever you want to make sure that you're complying with standards. So that's Google Drive. If I click this back arrow, you see my documents here. I can go ahead and create a different document. Let's say I want to create a PowerPoint. You notice it's very similar to PowerPoint. I can pick my background. Let's pick this one. And again, you click the plus button to add more slides. The research function exists here as well. And I can do all of the usual things I do in Microsoft Word slides. Well, that's all for now. Be sure to check out video 2 if you want to learn more about sharing and if you want to learn more about file organization. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.